Computer awareness for Apex Bank Exam. So first from we start from MS Word. Which shortcut key is used to save a document in MS Word? Control plus P, Control plus S, Control plus C, Control plus X, and Control plus O. The correct option is Control plus S. Which option is used to change पेज ओरिएंटेशन? तो पेज ओरिएंटेशन के लिए कौन सा ऑप्शन यूज किया जाता है? इंसर्ट, रिव्यू, लेआउट, रेफरेंस, होम. एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, लेआउट. हुई शॉर्टकट की इज यूज टू कॉपी सिलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट? सिलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट को कॉपी करने के लिए कौन सा ऑप्शन यूज किया जाता है? कंट्रोल प्लस बी, कंट्रोल प्लस ए, कंट्रोल प्लस एक्स, कंट्रोल प्लस सी, एंड कंट्रोल प्लस बी. एंड द here correct option is control plus C. Which feature is used to check spell mistake? ODAT, mail march, spell check, header, or macro? And the correct option is option C, spell check. Which shortcut key makes selected text bold? Control plus U, Control plus I, Control plus B, Control plus Shift plus B, Alt plus B. And the correct option is Control plus B. Which alignment places text equally from both margin? Left, right, center, justify, top. And the correct option is option D, justify. 7. Which tab contains the font group? Insert tab, home tab, review tab, view tab, layout tab. And the correct option is option A, insert tab, option B, home tab. Which shortcut key is used to undo the last action? Control plus Y, Control plus Z, Control plus U, Control plus R, and Control plus T. And the correct option is Control plus Z. Which feature is used to create personalized letters for many recipients? Macro, mail march, ODAT, autocorrect, track changes. The correct option is option B, mail march. Which menu is used to insert tables in MS Word? Review, layout, insert, home, design. And the correct option is option C, insert. Which shortcut key is used to print a document? Control plus O, Control plus P, Control plus N, Control plus S, Control plus F. Okay, printing के लिए Control plus P. Which view display the document as it will appear when printed? Draft view, web layout, read mode, print layout, outline view. And the correct option is option D, print layout. Which shortcut key is used to find text in a document? Control plus H, Control plus G, Control plus F, Control plus K, and Control plus D. And the correct option is option C, Control plus F. Which feature automatically corrects common typing errors? Autocorrect, autoformat, mail march, hyperlink, or bookmark? And the correct option is option A, autocorrect. Which shortcut key is used to paste copied content? Control plus X, Control plus C, Control plus P, Control plus B, and Control plus A. And the correct option is option D, Control plus B. Which option is used to add page number? Home, insert, review, design, reference. And the correct option is option B, insert. Number 17. Which shortcut key selects the entire document? Control plus E, Control plus L, Control plus A, Control plus T, and Control plus W. The correct option is Control plus A. Which key is used to create a new paragraph? Shift, Control, Enter, Alt, Escape. And the correct option is option C, Enter. Which feature tracks changes made in a document? Mail march, track changes, smart art, macro, zoom. Correct option is option B, track changes. Which shortcut key is used for italic text? Control plus U, Control plus B, Control plus I, Control plus T, Control plus E. And the correct option is option C, Control plus I. What is the default file extension of MS Word 2007 and later? .xls, .pptx, .docx, .txt, .mdv. And the correct option is option C, .docx. Which shortcut key is used to underline text? Control plus U, Control plus B, Control plus I, Control plus L, and Control plus R. And the correct option is option A, Control plus U. Which tab is used to insert picture? Insert, home, review, mailing, view. And the correct option is option A, insert. Which shortcut key is used to redo an action? Control plus Z, Control plus X, Control plus Y, Control plus F, Control plus P. And the correct option is option C, Control plus Y. 25. Which option changes the distance between lines? Indent, orientation, line spacing, margins, column. And the correct option is option C, line spacing. Which feature is used to insert artistic text? Smart word, clipart, header, bookmark. And the correct option is option B, word. Key opens an existing document. Control plus N, Control plus O, Control plus S, Control plus P, Control plus W. The correct option is option B, Control plus O. Is used to divide text into multiple columns. Breaks, orientation, columns, watermark, theme. And the correct option is option C, column. Which feature is used to create a list with symbol, numbering, bullet, styles, header, footer? And the correct option is option B, bullet. Which shortcut key creates a new document? Control plus O, Control plus P, Control plus N, Control plus S, Control plus D. And the correct option is option C, Control plus N. Which ruler marker control the first line indentation? Left indentation, right indentation, hanging indent, first line indent, tab stop. Option A, option D, first line indent. Which feature insert repeated text at the top of every page? Footer, header, comment, footnote, caption. And the correct option is option. Shortcut key is used to replace text. Control plus G, Control plus H, Control plus K, Control plus J, Control plus D. And the correct option is option B, Control plus H. Which option is used to protect a document? Encrypt with password, zoom, track changes, word count, theme. And the correct option is option A, encryption with password. Which feature display the number of words in a document? Word count, mail march, track changes, auto format, treasurers. And the correct option is option A, word count. Which tab contains mail march? Review tab, reference tab, mailing tab, view tab, insert tab. And the correct option is option C, mailing. Which shortcut key insert a hyperlink? Control plus H, Control plus K, Control plus L, Control plus Shift plus K, Alt plus K. The correct option is option B, Control plus K. Which option is used to insert a watermark? Design, insert, layout, view, review. The correct option is option A, design. Which feature allowed comment in a document? Track changes, new comment, smart lookup, mail march, zoom. And the correct option is option B, new comment. Which shortcut key is used to center align text? Control plus C, Control plus L, Control plus R, Control plus J, Control plus C. The correct option is Control plus J. Control plus E, option A, Control plus E. Which shortcut key is used for left alignment? Control plus J, Control plus E, Control plus L, Control plus R, Control plus Shift plus L. The correct option is option C, Control plus L. And which shortcut key is used for right alignment? Control plus L, Control plus R, Control plus E, Control plus J, Control plus K. The correct option is option B, Control plus R. Which shortcut key is used for justified alignment? Control plus J, Control plus R, Control plus E, Control plus L, and Control plus U. The correct option is option A, Control plus J. Number 44. Which feature is used to insert citation and bibliography? Review, reference, mailing, layout, or home? And the correct option is option B, reference. Which key delete text to the left of the cursor? Delete, escape, backspace, shift, alt. And the correct option is option C, backspace. Which feature allow automatic generation of content pages? Index, table of contents, word art, mail march, hyperlink. And the correct option is option B, table of content. Which shortcut key closes the current document? Control plus N, Control plus W, Control plus O, Control plus P, and Control plus Q. The correct option is option B, Control plus W. Which option changes page margins? Margins, orientation, size, column, indent. And the correct option is option A, margins. Feature is used to zoom in or zoom out of a document. Split, macros, zoom, arrange, fridge. The correct option is option C, zoom. Number 50. Which bar display the name of current document? Status bar, scroll bar, title bar, ribbon, or menu bar? And the correct option is title bar.